Friends, are you burdened with debt? Are you worried about paying interest? Do you worry about paying EMI every month? So watch this video so that you never have to take a loan on interest in your life. Come join Glofin India in the debt-free campaign. For more information, visit the website www.glofin.co.in. Friends, Glofin India's mission is to make every person in India debt-free by 2026. If we talk about the CEO of the company, then the creators are Mr. Manoj Jain and Mrs. Rajshri Jain. Friends, Glofin India is established in the market since 2019. More than 30,000 people have joined the company and the company has given them loans worth more than 3.5 crore rupees. If you also want to take a loan, then the company gives you a non-refundable loan from 2,500 rupee to 51 crore rupees in 15 steps, which you never have to repay. So friends, by registering with Glofin India, you can activate your ID for 3,500 rupees. The company gives you Safari Suite products in exchange for your activation amount. First of all, let's talk about non-refundable loan. Here you can take a loan from 2,500 rupee to 51 crore rupees. Friends, when you complete a pair of 1, 2 or 2, 1, then you get a loan of 2,500 rupees. If your 3 pairs take a loan of 2,500 rupees, then you get a loan of 3,500 rupees. If your 3 pairs take a loan of 3,500 rupees, then you get a loan of 7,000 rupees. If your 3 pairs take a loan of 7,000 rupees, then you get a loan of 14,000 rupees. Similarly friends, here you can take a loan of up to 51 crore rupees in 15 steps. Friends, next let's talk about direct joining income. Friends, here if you complete a pair of 1, 2 or 2, 1, then you get a direct joining income of 2,500 rupees. After this, let's talk about matching income. So friends, the first matching pair can be made of 1, 2 or 2, 1. After that you can make 1, 1 pairs. As friends, here you complete the first pair, then you get the income of 2 pairs, that is, you get an income of 250 rupees from 1 pair. At the same time friends, you get the income of the second pair of 500 rupees without completing the pair, that is, you get a matching income of 500 rupees from both the pairs. In this way friends, you can earn unlimited matching income by making unlimited pairs here. After that friends, let's talk about cashback income. So friends, as soon as you introduce to people in the system, you get 199 rupees cashback income every month and you will get this cashback income for 10 months. That is, friends, in 10 months you will be able to earn a cashback income of 1,990 rupees. Friends, here as soon as 1 pair of yours is completed, you are given the income of all 10 months of 1,990 rupees in advance. After that friends, let's talk about sponsor income. So friends, sponsor income is distributed 50% till your 5th level. You will get 20% of whatever your first level team earns from matching income. You will get 10% of whatever your second level team earns from matching income. You will also get 10% sponsor income from the third level team. You will get 7% of whatever the level 4 team earns from matching income, and you are going to get 3% sponsor income from the 5th level team. So friends, this is also a very great income, which you can take benefit of. Now friends, let's talk about auto-pool income. Friends, as soon as you complete a pair of 1, 2 or 2, 1 in the system, you become eligible to get auto-pool income. Friends, here you get global entry. As soon as a global pair of 1, 2 or 2, 1 comes in your down, you earn 1,000 rupees. Same friends, when your 3 pairs earn auto-pool income of 1,000 rupees, then you again get auto-pool income of 1,000 rupees. Similarly friends, if your 3 pairs again earn 1,000 rupees, then you get an auto-pool income of 2,000 rupees. When your 5 pairs generate an auto-pool income of 2,000 rupees, you earn 4,000 rupees. Friends, if your 4 pairs earn auto-pool income of 4,000 rupees, then you get auto-pool income of 8,000 rupees. Similarly friends, here you are going to get auto-pool income of 51 lakh rupees in 13 steps. After that, friends, let's talk about silver auto-pool. So friends, as soon as you complete 8 pairs from your working in the system, then you become eligible to get silver auto-pool income. Friends, here the team will come from the matrix of 3 globally, like if 3 members come, then you get 750 rupees auto-pool income. Friends, here you do not get 750 rupee income only on 3 members coming. If even 1 member comes in the auto-pool globally, then here you will get 250 rupee income. After that, if 9 members come on the second level, then you will get auto-pool income of 2,250 rupees. You will earn 6,750 rupees from 27 members. You will get 20,250 rupees from 81 members. Similarly friends, here you can earn a tremendous auto pool income of 3 crore rupees 24,45,000 from Silver Auto Pool. Now friends, let's talk about Gold Auto Pool income here friends. As soon as you complete 16 pairs through your working, you will be able to get Global Auto Pool income. When 3 members come here globally, you earn 1,500 rupee. Even if 1 member comes here, you will earn 500 rupees. When 9 members come on the second level, you will get an auto pool income of 4,500 rupees. When 27 members come on the third level, you will get an auto pool income of 13,500 rupees. From level 4, you will earn 40,500 rupees from 81 members. So friends, in this way you can earn a fantastic income of 6 crore rupees 45,90,000 by entering 16 pairs in Gold Auto Pool. After this, friends, let's talk about Mega Auto Pool. When 79 pairs are completed from your working, then you enter the Mega Auto Pool. Here friends, if you have 5 pairs taking 4th non-refundable loan, you will get auto pool income of 88,000 rupees. When your 4 pairs earn auto pool income of 1,16,000 rupees, you will get income of 2,32,000 rupees. When your 4 pairs earn auto pool income of 2,32,000 rupees, you will get income of 5,24,000 rupees. Same friends, when your 4 pairs make an auto pool income of 5,24,000 rupees, then you will get an auto pool income of 10,48,000 rupees. Similarly friends, here you can earn Mega Auto Pool income of up to 51 crore rupees in 13 steps. So friends, isn't this a great business plan? You can earn such a huge income from here. So friends, this is the power of the system. Now friends, let's talk about promotion income. Friends, if any entry is made in the system, then 150 rupees is taken out from each entry and distributed in promotion income. So friends, if you complete 3 pairs in 7 days of joining, then you enter the Silver Club. Here 37 rupees and 50 paise is equally distributed in each ID, as many achievers are in the Silver Club. When you complete 8 pairs within 7 days of joining, you enter the Gold Club. Here also, 75 rupees of each ID is distributed equally among each Gold Club achiever. Same friends, if you complete 60 pairs in 30 days of joining, then you enter the Diamond Club. Here 150 rupees of each ID is equally distributed among all the Diamond Club achievers. Same friends, if you make 30 joinings in any particular month, then you get a pin, i.e. 3,500 rupees. Talking about franchises income, if you get 25 joinings in your team in any month, then you will get 1 pin free, i.e. an amount of 3,500 rupees. If you get 50 joinings in your team in any month, then you will get 3 pins free, i.e. an amount of 10,500 rupees. If you have a team of 100 members in any month, then friends, you will get 7 pins for free. If you have a team of 200 members, you will get 15 pins free. On 300 joinings, you will get 24 pins for free. If you get 1000 joinings in any particular month, then friends, here you will get 100 pins for free, the amount of which is 3,50,000 rupees. Friends, if we talk about royalty income, then as soon as you earn 51 crores from the system, you retire from the system, and here you will get an income of 1 lakh rupees from daily income, and that too up to the 3rd generation. You can also take 7 types of loan from the system: non-working loan, working loan, team loan, promotion loan, auto pool loan, franchise loan, and loan clearing bonus. Talking about non-working loan, when you make a pair of 1-1, then you will get a loan of 5,000 rupees, and the monthly EMI of this loan will be 500 rupees for 15 months. After paying all the EMIs, you can take a loan of 10,000 rupees. For this you will have to pay an EMI of 1,000 rupee per month for 15 months. Similarly friends, here you can take a loan of up to 5 lakh rupees. Talking about working loan, friends, if you make 2 pairs, then you can take a loan from 10,000 rupee to 5 lakh rupees. 4 pairs will give you a loan from 25,000 rupee to 5 lakh rupees. 8 pairs will give you a loan from 50,000 rupee to 5 lakh rupees. 16 pairs will give you a loan from 1 lakh rupee to 5 lakh rupees. 32 pairs will give you a loan from 2 lakhs rupee to 5 lakh rupees. 79 pairs will give you a loan of up to 5 lakh rupees. After this, friends, if we talk about team loan, you can take team loan by completing 7 pairs. You will get team loan from 10,000 rupee to 5 lakh rupees, whose EMI will remain the same. Now friends, let's talk about promotion loan. Silver Club achiever will get a loan of 25,000 rupees. Gold Club achiever will get a loan of 1 lakh rupees. Diamond Club achiever will get a loan of 5 lakh rupees. Talking about Autopool loan, you will get a loan of 5,000 rupees on coming in first Autopool, 25,000 rupees in silver Autopool, 50,000 rupees in gold Autopool, 1 lakh rupees in mega Autopool, 2 lakhs rupees in third ID mega Autopool and 5 lakh rupees on coming in seventh ID mega Autopool. Franchise loan. If you earn 1 pin free, then you will get a loan of 10,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees on 3 pins. 50,000 rupees on 7 pins. 1 lakh rupees on 15 pins. 2 lakhs rupees on 24 pins. 5 lakh rupees on 60 pins. Talking about loan clearance bonus, if you pay EMI on time, then you will get a great bonus ranging from 500 rupee to 50,000 rupees. Glofin India's upcoming plans are also coming. Helping plan, metrics plan, level plan, and board plan. Friends, if we talk about some terms and conditions of the system, then friends, non-refundable loans have daily closing and daily payout. Friends, the closing of all other income will be on Saturday and payout will be received on Monday. 20% admin charge will be deducted on every withdrawal. You can also see the rest of the conditions on the screen. So friends, this is the complete business plan of Glofin India. The company's office address is in Thane West. For more information friends, you can contact your upline or the person who gave you this video. If you have come to our YouTube channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, and my friends, thanks for watching.